Meanwhile, new this Friday morning, a nonprofit government watchdog group called OpenTheBooks.com. They have found for at least the 7th year, Tennessee is one of the highest ranked states in the country when it comes to fiscal health. Think good budgeting.
Sure, and this comes as we continue to grow. We are joined live this morning by Rachel O'Brien. She is with OpenTheBooks.com. All right, so Rachel, good morning to you. The state of Tennessee has been ranked number 5 for good budgeting, overall financial health in the last year. What does this mean for everyday people living in our state?
All right, good morning. So this ranking comes every year as financial state of the states report that's put out by an organization called Trend Accounting. They look at all of the 50 states, annual comprehensive financial reports. Tennessee continues to grow its surplus, and that means it could give taxpayers a refund. Now, will it do that? Probably not, but it should. The state could and should institute permanent tax cuts and strengthen its rainy day fund. The rainy day fund is actually surprisingly very low, below average, comes in 36 out of 50 states in terms of the amount of the general fund expenditure. So it should put a little bit more money in that account.
Okay, Rachel, you caught my attention when you said refund, but I'm also curious, how has Tennessee been ranked in the past? And then how do we compare or measure up to other states?
One of the reasons I say they should do a refund or do tax cuts is because this is at least year 7, since at least 2017, when we're looking at these reports. The state is always ranking high, up 5, 6, or 7 in the country in terms of fiscal health. So Tennessee is not adding to its debt. It's number 5. It follows North Dakota, Alaska, Wyoming, and Utah. It's not incurring new debt. It is funding its pensions and retiree health care benefits. And that's compared to 27 states that don't. They do not have enough money to pay their bills, to fund their pensions. And so, Tennessee's pension fund is fully funded. The state has a big surplus. So several years now, Tennessee has had more money than it needs to pay its bills, and it should definitely give taxpayers a break.
All right, Rachel, so we're going to put the call in right now to the governor's office and say, hey, how do you think you could do on a refund check for us? But, in all seriousness, Rachel, I was thinking, too, when we moved here in 2013 even, so we've been here 11 years, that was one of the selling points for moving to Tennessee, the fact that we have no state income tax and the fact that this state was considered to be in the top when it comes to fiscal responsibility.
Rachel O'Brien, thank you so much for sharing your perspective with us and that information on this Friday morning.